All right, so I know I cannot be the only one who has been putting off cleaning things around the house because I know it's going to take forever and a lot of elbow grease. So I do want to thank Clear Steam for sending me this steamer over to check out because man, this thing has some actual power behind it. Just look at the steam rolling out of there. So let me show you the first thing I cleaned with it because this is the one that really got me. My oven door. Now, it wasn't like a disaster or anything. There was no caked on chunks, but if you look close at the glass and the edging, the little blue edging around the glass, you can see this greasy film. You know, that grimy haze that builds up over time that is just that thick grease. So I popped on the nylon brush attachment that comes with it. It actually has a hose attachment to make it easier as well. And I steamed the glass and brushed it mainly in circles as I went. And when I went to wipe the water away, just look at that. The grease just cut right through. Now, if you want to talk about baked on, built up stuff, look at my air fryer door. This thing is nasty. It had so many layers and I'm barely scrubbing here. I'm using the brush attachment with this as well and just lightly running over the surface, not pressing hard at all. And you can just watch it start to melt away and break right up in front of you. Now, just a few minutes of steam, this looked much better already. Now, one of the things that surprised me most about this was just how straightforward it is to actually use. You just plug it in and on top of the unit, you've got a digital display with a faint power button. You press that power button and it just powers on. And then you watch the numbers start to climb. It'll start somewhere around 20, 40, and it just ticks up from there. 50, 51, 52, 63, all the way up to 100. Now, once it hits 100, it's fully preheated and ready to go. Only takes about 15, 20 seconds. And next to that power button is a lock button. You press and hold that for like 2 to 3 seconds, and then you'll see two settings flash on the screen, like a low and a high. Now, the low steam shows one steam cloud on the display. The high is 2. You pick your setting, and once you press that, it automatically starts steaming. And as far as refilling the water goes, a lot of people wonder about the steamer is whether you have to wait for it to cool down to completely add more water. With this one, the tank is detachable from the bottom, which means you can refill it continuously without waiting for a full cool down. That really makes a difference when you're actually in the middle of cleaning session and you don't want to stop, because we all know once you're in the cleaning mood, you stop, you're not in it anymore. Now, one of my other favorite things about this is I do have glass shower doors, so this was a big deal for me. The squeegee attachment. It does come with this flatter steam handle and a squeegee attachment snaps right onto that. The little rubber edge just makes it like a standard squeegee with the steam coming out of it. My shower door had serious soap scum buildup situation going on. I didn't even do the whole door for this video clip, just the top portion on one side, and you can already see after passing and wiping the water away how much better it looks already. I'll be doing this entire shower door later. Now, this steamer comes with a lot of accessories, which actually makes it very versatile because you're not just using one nozzle for everything. You're matching the right tool to the right mess. So I would say anyone who's really been on the fence about getting a steamer, this one is great. Heats up fast, the steam is strong, the tank is easy to refill, and it comes with really everything you need to tackle basically every type of surface in your house. Hope that helps.